All right, today we're gonna bring some earphones, and if you guys can see, it says games headsets. All right, now look at this. They're charging right now. They have an LCD screen right here displaying. They change different RGB colors, and they come this in enclosure. It's very secure here. This thing, all right. Now this thing's a little plasticky. All right. Just to let you know, it looks metal, but half of it's not metal. It's only meant to be like metal, but it's not. So I like that it comes with the actual earbuds. You see that? They're trying to synchronize right now to a Bluetooth right now. And these are very small and two digital ones, right? They have two little indentations right here that they actually charge it into the system. And you can see them fully charged right now. Now they do have a Type-C, but the best thing also, they also have an additional USB that you could use to charge other devices. So if you run out of batteries on your actual phone, you could use this for that. Now they light up, all right? So you're gonna see this pretty much anywhere from any distance. And they're a nice little case enclosure that comes in together, right? So you could close them, open them up, and enjoy them. Like the RGB lighting. Let me show you how good they are sometimes. You know, these things fit in pretty good in the ears. And right now we're gonna use this is the actual right ear, so we're gonna use right ear. If it says R right here, and they kind of just fit in perfectly in there. If you guys can see, they're a little bit flush, and right now they're trying to synchronize, but all you got to do is put the Bluetooth in. But look at the ear. They're very synchronized in. They're very fitting in there. Of course, you could a touch screen, right? There's a touch sensor that you could forward the song. You could forward to the next song. You could answer phone calls. You could hang phone calls. Volume control on both ends. There's touch screens too, right? So look at this. But look how flush it is. And it fits very well. They come different earlobes, of course, additional ones. So, and these actually, if you have a pretty standard ear entrances, if you guys can see that, and they do a lot of blocking of any kind of other sounds out there too. So very convenient to use, easy to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video.